12 minus 3 parenthesis 8 divided by 2. Welcome back to Neil Explains. In this tricky math question we have, try to solve by your own and comment your answer to get feature here. I will solve for them who does want to solve and those who want to check their answer. We will solve with the help of PEMDAS here. Okay, so we have here that is 12 minus 3 parenthesis 8 divided by 2. Okay, so if you think you are solving 12 minus 3, that is equal to what? 9 times 8 divided by 2, which equals to what? 4. And 9 times 4, which equals to 36. And this is the right answer. Then you are thinking wrong way. This is not the right answer. Okay, I will show you how to solve this. We will rewrite our question here. 12 minus 3, 8 divided by 2. So according to PEMDAS, parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, first preference will be given to parentheses. So we will operate this part first, that is 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2, which will give result 4. So we will simply write 4 on the place of this. So we will rewrite here 12 minus 3 times 4. Now there are two operations, which is subtraction and multiplication, and both operations are there, but we have higher priority on multiplication than subtraction. So we will operate this multiplication first, which will give 4 times 3, that is equal to 12. So we will rewrite here 12 minus 12, and at last 12 minus 12, which equals to 0. So here right answer is 0, not 36. Okay, and if you seen it, then must check out our best Amazon product for you on the description. All are Amazon affiliate. If you buy from them, I will show you. Actually, this will help me, definitely help my channel. My channel is very little, very small. So if you buy from these links, this will help me to grow my channel. Like this video and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.